Guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to create a YouTube thumbnail with Canva editor. So now I am open a browser and select Canva open and just search YouTube thumbnail travel. So guys, now I am just click travel box 6 this thumbnail and customize. So guys, this is the template and this is the background photo. So I remove this photo and click background theme or change my design. Okay, delete this. Okay, I'm just delete. Okay, now I'm click text icon and select my special spirit night text. Okay, remove the others join language. Okay, just ungroup and new blog here. Okay, now just edit. Okay, okay, और text में okay, just side angle arrow. And I hope watching my full video, and I'm just push my video because video too long. So guys, I'm just text color and set a background. So go element and just drag and sharpness. Okay, I'm just background it done and just upside crop and left side. Now okay, so I'm just color travel and Japan. So only Japan is just color change, and Japan is just color like blue. Okay, this image I'm just trying zooming, and this image not adjust this background. So guys, my thumbnail is ready and I can see download and upload my channel. So I hope you enjoy this video. So bye bye.